This is my tutorial for a full moon skull leopard glitter tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block and Rust-Oleum white spray paint. Now I'm eyeballing how I want my tumbler to split diagonally. Y'all know I hardly measure anything and eyeballing is the way of the game, but feel free to measure your tumbler to be more accurate. I'm just lazy, y'all. Also, apologies for my voice. I am getting over a cold, and this time it wasn't one of my typhoid Mary kids. It was the husband. 'Twas the husband's fault. Pray for me, fam. Pray for me. Let this glow section cure, then we'll be ready to tape off the other side and apply our second glow section. Let cure, then we'll be ready to add our stencils. black, my moon has a dark ring around it from the black spray paint, so in hindsight, I should have just spray painted that portion white and not do the black, then the white on top. The black ring doesn't really bother me, but in the future, should I make this design again, I would just add the white spray paint and not the black to keep from having that dark ring around my moon. Once dry, we're ready to apply our epoxy to our first section and glitter using the epoxy method. Of course, I'm using the epoxy method as usual, but do whatever is easiest for you. Let this section cure, then we'll be ready to epoxy and glitter the other half of our tumbler and remove the stencils. And do not worry, I will be saving this overcast glitter and turning it into a super pretty dark night sky mix. Let your glitter layer cure and seal really well with a clear sealer. I'll be using Krylon Triple Thick and sealing with epoxy. To add some extra sparkle into my night sky, I decided to sprinkle on a little bit of celestial onto the darker areas of my sky. For my next coat of epoxy, I wanted to add some clouds and some mist. So I mixed Krampus and some magic peacocks into my leftover epoxy and added Krampus on top of my moon to give my moon an eerie, coming out of the clouds feel, and the violet magic peacocks to the darker portion at the bottom to give a subtle, spooky, misty look. cure, then we'll be ready to add our first section of vinyl. To make sure I had a nice smooth surface for my second layer of vinyl, I sealed this layer with epoxy, then I added my word art and trim. Seal until smooth, and then you'll be all done. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my Patreon and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your full moon skull leopard glitter tumblers that glow in the dark, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!